What it do, what it do, what it do. Hey, Royal family, how is everyone doing? Today is Thursday, our video time. As I promised, I'm going to be more consistent with uploading videos on Thursday and Saturday. Yes, I am still going to do a dish from every continent. I will go ahead and just give you guys a secret. The next one I'm going to do, we're going to make our own sushi rolls. Yes, if I can get the stuff ordered in time, we will do it at the end of the month, or we'll do it the beginning of February. And also, remember, I'm going to do a table escape for Valentine's, and I'm also surprising my daughter and her husband. I'm going to cook their Valentine dinner. Oh yeah, I'm gonna lay it out for them. But anyway, with that being said, thank you guys so much for all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys, my ride or die subscribers. And you remember I told you that the last time I bought a cake, I did a cake. I really wanted to do soup. So today we're going to do a cabbage roll soup. Now it's supposed to be pretty healthy, but Miss Olga will add some bacon fat, you know, just a little, not a whole lot. And then Saturday for sure, I'm coming back to do those power balls. That's really good for you. And yes, I've tried them. And they give me energy like crazy. All right, without further ado, let's get this train on the tracks. Let's get this train on the tracks. All right, let's get started. Okay, here are the ingredients. Now this recipe, you can do ground beef or ground turkey. Since I don't eat ground beef, I'm going to show you how I do it with ground turkey. So here I have, I think it's 4 cups of shredded cabbage. And let me show you something. I was just really lazy. So I got 2 of these bags here at Trader Joe's. They're already shredded. And remember this, whenever they say washed and ready to use, please don't believe it. Go ahead and wash your cabbage. Anything that you have in the package that they say washed and ready to use, please wash it. Please do, because it's still handled either by a machine or hands. Okay, so I have 4 cups of cabbage here. I have a pound of ground turkey. I have here onions and bell peppers. I have the red bell peppers and the yellow bell peppers. Here I have 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I have tomato paste. And I am, you guys, going to use some of the jerk seasoning in this. And this is all I got left. And here I have, this bacon fat. So we're going to use that to brown the ground turkey, and also saute the onions and the bell peppers. Okay, here I have a can of crushed tomatoes, which is a 28 ounce, but you guys, I'm not going to use all of it. I think I'm only going to use 12 ounces of this. I have bay leaves. I have beef broth. And also, even though I have chopped garlic, we're going to use the granulated garlic and the granulated onion with our meat. So go ahead. We're going to add salt, pepper, a little granulated garlic, a little granulated onion, and we're going to brown our meat. So let's get ready to brown the meat. Then I'll come back after I saute the vegetables. All right, now we are about to saute our onions, bell peppers, just till the onions get translucent. And then after that, we're going to add the chopped garlic and cook it for an additional minute with the onions and bell peppers. And here is the ground turkey that I browned up. Okay, let's just saute these. I mean, it smells amazing in here. All right. See you in about a minute or two. All right. Once the bell pepper, onions, and garlic had sauteed, I added the shredded cabbage. And you guys, it is 2.5 cups of shredded cabbage. I told you 4, which was incorrect. Now we're going to add the ground turkey. Now we're going to add, we're going to do 2 cups of the crushed tomatoes. We're going to add that in there. And we're going to add the beef broth. And I am thinking I am going to need the whole box, which I'm almost positive I am. Okay, you see that? Which again, I will have the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. After this, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, a tablespoon of the Jamaican seasoning. Then we're going to stir it up. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I've added the crushed tomatoes, the tomato paste. I have 3 bay leaves, and I have a tablespoon of the Jamaican seasoning. We're going to put it on a medium and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's cooked at 20 minutes, taste your seasoning to see if you need to add salt, pepper, or a little more onion powder or garlic powder. So when I come back, I will show you guys the finished presentation. 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat. Okay, Raw family, here's the finished product and presentation of the cabbage roll soup. If you do anything, please go to my video that has the Jamaican seasoning spice and make that. It elevates this cabbage roll soup to a whole nother level. And if you don't want to make the one that I have on the site, hopefully the jerk seasoning that you can buy in the store is not too salty. But when I tell you a winner, cabbage soup dinner, it is freaking awesome. It is still hot, you guys. Look at this. The cabbage is tender, and I mean, it is so flavorful. All right, let me take a bite. Hold on. Okay. If you follow the instructions and you use my Jamaican spice seasoning, and if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe. Oh my Lord. Woo! A la not. I knocked this out of the park. I'm sorry, you guys. It's hot. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe and comment below. If you'd like to see me make a certain type of food, whether it's soul food, just give me some comments as to what you would like to see. But until then, I will see you on Saturday. Stay blessed, stay safe, and please, please try out this cabbage roll soup. God bless you.